Welcome to the last part of our office tour here in TÜV SÜD. I guess you've been visiting our workspaces and also our rejuvenation centers, but now I'm going to bring you to one of the last pieces of a tour, which is our sustainability spaces. So now behind me is our rooftop garden. Let's go! Let's take a look at the green spaces that we have here in our office, starting with the rooftop garden. We have these chambers where our product engineers conduct weather testing to test the durability of our products. We're also trying to change our rooftop into a gathering space. So we're going to install some karaoke machines and also some barbecue pits. So please do look out for that. Here at TÜV SÜD, we also promote recycling towards our employees. Over here, we have our e-waste recycling machine, and on my right, we have this very cool cans and bottle recycling machine. Guess what? Till today, our employees have worked together to recycle almost 21,000 bottles and cans. Here in TÜV SÜD, we also provide electric vehicle chargers for our employees as part of Singapore's transition towards a greener city. For all of you that supports green commuting, our office is located beside Ulu Pandan Park Connector Network. And over here, we have so many bicycle racks to keep your bikes. If you want to cycle to the office, come ahead. We've come to the end of our video tour. If you do like our video, please give it a like. Let's see if the next time you visit our office here in IBP, try to recognize all of the green spaces that we have here in our office. See you later!